Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming what you're running and that you can change it. First, log in with root or a sudo account and run select version to see the release. Then check current modes with select ATAT global, SQL mode and select ATAT session. SQL mode so you know if safe mode flags are set. Once done, make sure you have a recent MySQL'd configuration backup and access to restart the service. This prevents surprises when you change persistent settings. Now perform the temporary change so you can test without rebooting. Use SET session SQL mode equals to remove strict and safe flags for your current connection. This doesn't affect other clients. Run previously failing insert or update statements to confirm they behave as expected. If you want a reversible test, wrap operations in start transaction, then roll back if results aren't right. These steps let you validate changes before making them persistent at server startup. To make the change permanent, edit the MySQL configuration file, typically /etc/mysql/my, cnf or /etc/mysql/mysql, conf, d/mysqld, cnf and locate or add the SQL mode setting under mysqld. Remove strict or no zero date entries or set SQL mode equals, if appropriate. Save and restart with sudo systemctl restart MySQL. If the server won't start, inspect the MySQL error log.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.